Welcome guys to another session. I just wanted to say this film was actually shot fully on an iPhone 5S using the software that was made out. I have it here on the MacBook Pro. It's called the FilMic Pro. It was actually used in a Hollywood movie. I just wanted to test it out. So today we're going to be reviewing the SIIG USB3 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. I have my MacBook Pro here, the current 2014 edition. It doesn't have any Ethernet. Figured, why not? I have USB 3. Let's get some Gigabit. Alright, let's open this guy up. One X-Acto knife. Watch your fingers, of course. Yeah, comes with a driver's CD, whatnot. Comes with a driver's CD. Comes with a little how-to manual. Box. Yeah. Throw that out. Comes in a nice little packaged container. Let's open it up. Alright, now let's see if it actually works. I'm going to open up my network and try to get it in as close as possible for you guys. Let's turn off Wi-Fi, that way we're not in any way, shape, or form on Wi-Fi. Plugging in the device right now. Sorry about that, guys. Actually had to cut away. The drivers for the Mac are actually on a CD, and the newest MacBooks obviously don't have a CD. I'm going to put the drivers up on a site for you guys to get. But here we go again. Let's make sure we're off Wi-Fi. Okay, we're off. Plug her in. Go to my network settings. Hopefully when I go to plug this in, it works. I see blinking lights, USB Ethernet connected. It's connected to my network. Let's give it an old test. Google.com. Okay, we have internet. Now, what everybody always wants to see is we want to move a file. This is the Mavericks install. It's a 5 gig file. Let's copy it. Let's copy it onto my MacBook Pro. Let's just drop it. Just drop it anyway. Since we're just doing a speed test here. It's nice when it tells me I don't have permission to my own folder. Right there. File is now moving. Approximately 2 minutes, down to a minute. Still going. That's one file moved. Let's go for a speed. Let's go for a speed test. Let's check out my awesome Time Warner cable. Two megabits down. Believe it or not, Verizon has them beat right now. Uploading at 3 megabits. 4. 5. Verizon still has them beat. Well, there you go, guys. This film is going to be fully edited, and it was taken all on an iPhone 5S. Subscribe to the video. The link is at the bottom. Like it. Share it. If this works out, maybe I'll do more videos using the software if you guys like it. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later, guys.